Hey y'all, make this magnet screen door with me. Yes, I could have bought it like this, but it costs $13.99 just for the screen without the cover. Since I feel like creating and I had some blackout curtains that I could use for this, I said, why not do it myself? And that's what I did. So I purchased the magnet screen for $13.99 and I added this blackout curtain to it.
WhatsApp, contacts from friends, followers, or past customers, and notify them when new products are available. You gotta keep the communication going. You gotta keep it going. And then launch it. I'm gonna come back and post some little blurbs about what I think might be invited on our website. I've been speaking on social media. On your gifts and your talents. You're sitting on your gifts and your talents, and you can be making projects. We cannot be waiting around for people to save us or corporations to save us. Nothing wrong with a job. Nothing wrong with a job. I have a job. I enjoy my job. Lord is my shepherd. I shall not